Hey everyone, have you ever felt like you truly belong somewhere? That feeling of being part of something bigger than yourself is incredibly powerful. Today, let's explore how the ancient prophet Elijah, often remembered for his dramatic miracles, was also a master community builder whose life offers timeless lessons on belonging. Elijah's story isn't just about grand confrontations. It's filled with moments of deep connection. Think about the widow of Zarephath. During a devastating famine, Elijah didn't just perform a miracle for her. He lived with her and her son, sharing their struggle. When her son passed away, he brought him back to life, healing not just a body, but a broken family, and restoring hope within their small community. Then there's the famous showdown on Mount Carmel. This wasn't just about proving whose God was real. It was a powerful act to reunite a divided people. By calling everyone together and demonstrating God's power, Elijah helped them rediscover their shared identity and a sense of collective purpose. He was reminding them that they belonged to each other and to a common faith. Elijah also understood the importance of legacy. He didn't operate in a vacuum. He actively mentored his successor, Elisha. By passing his mantle to Elisha, he ensured that the community's leadership would continue, nurturing the next generation to carry the torch. This act of mentorship is a beautiful picture of how strong communities invest in their future. But community isn't just about comfort, it's also about courage. Elijah consistently challenged injustice, speaking out against King Ahab and the powerful. He called for social responsibility and moral integrity, teaching that a true community must stand for what's right and protect the vulnerable. He showed that belonging means being accountable to one another, even in his darkest moments, like when he fled from Queen Jezebel and felt utterly alone. Elijah's story reveals the need for support. He found refuge and heard God's voice not in a loud spectacle, but in a still, small whisper. This reminds us that faith communities should be safe spaces where we can be vulnerable, find healing, and feel supported during our trials. So what can we learn from Elijah today? His life inspires us to build communities that are more than just social clubs. We can create spaces that foster justice, offer unwavering support, and nurture spiritual growth. Whether it's through grassroots movements for social change or simply being there for a neighbor in need, we can embody Elijah's spirit. By investing in mentorship, promoting accountability, and strengthening our collective identity, we can build resilient communities where everyone feels a true sense of belonging. Elijah's legacy is a powerful call to action. To build, to connect, and to belong. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.